and cleaning my living room. The girls are sleeping. This is like 5 minutes of the day that I have to myself. I'm gonna use to quickly clean up so that none of the girls get, any. I just need to make sure that they're fine. So I'm gonna be clean up my filthy living room with me. How are you guys doing? You okay? We went to the hospital today for Athena. Everything is great. She's growing fine. She's growing very well. I'm very grateful.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Korra. This Korra matter, the thing just they shock me. Korra not the see the help her again. She need a happy hand. I don't know why this kind of time now in with the husband come to the quarrel. The thing just they shock me because person wey really born, you need help. You need help. Only you one cannot do everything. Do you understand? So I just feel for her. I really feel for her, like seriously. I really feel for her because when I see her today, only she they do this one. Korra will be not they wear clothes before. Korra wear clothes today. Korra cannot even do live video again like that because when they do the live video, they say the children they sleep. Make it quick do something. Like the other of your daughter just wake up. You know, Korra is really tired, eh? Korra is really tired. Please, my people, you both should pray for Korra marriage. You both should pray for Korra marriage so that make the marriage make it still last more. And Korra just born pikin. She need help. And why I come be saying at this kind of time, like this man? Why I come be saying at this kind of time? Like 12 they come to the quarrel. The thing just they shocktalize me. Korra, just pray for Lord, to just be your strength. Because if person really born like this, you need help. You need help, really. I just feel for her, really. I will put the video more on see, and I'm gonna let me pray for the marriage so that make the marriage not just break like that, really, like seriously. Make it not just break like that. Thank you, my people. Please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
And cleaning my living room. The girls are sleeping. This is like 5 minutes of the day that I have to myself. I'm gonna use to quickly clean up so that none of the girls get, any. I just need to make sure that they're fine. So I'm gonna be clean up my filthy living room with me. How are you guys doing? You okay? We went to the hospital today for Athena. Everything is great. She's growing fine. She's growing very well. I'm very grateful. Um, I want to quickly do everything that I can before they wake up. You know. I'm just reminded of when June was a little baby, and I kind of forgot how much work it is, and now I have not just June but also a little baby, so it's twice the work. Definitely is. Hey, hi, hey, my love. How are you? Can I get a hug? Mm. How are you, my love? Mm? Guess what? Guess what? I bought you something. Guess what I bought you? I bought you pizza. I got you pizza, Jimmy. I guess she didn't sleep for long. You're welcome. Pizza. You said you wanted pepperoni, right? You want pepperoni? Wow. This is pizza. Here you go. Mm. Mm. You like it, Jenny? Hey, Jen, come, come, come to mommy. Careful. Oops. You okay? You okay, my love? Mm. Mm. Do you like it? Okay. I was in the middle of cleaning, Jen. Maybe. Please, oh. That was a mistake. I got a package from Queen Snatch. Mm. Thank you so much, Queen. Mm? Mm? Peppa Pig. We think every package is Peppa Pig. Oh, wow.
Wow. It is wow.
Nice package. Mm. Okay, I don't know what this is, but thank you so much. Appreciate all the gifts. Thank you. Appreciate you, Queen Snatch. um, mm, let's get back to cleaning. You want a pizza? Whew. That's why.